Remember when everyone mocked DanTDM for calling out MrBeast, Logan Paul, and KSI's new lunch brand, Lunchly? Well, it turns out he was the only one who saw the downfall coming long before it happened. Back in 2024, the trio proudly launched Lunchly as a healthier version of Lunchables. But just a few months later, that bold promise crumbled, with moldy cheese, crashing sales, and furious parents exposing the truth. Dan had warned that it wasn't about helping kids, it was about cashing in on their trust. And he was absolutely right. Health experts slammed the product's weak nutrition. Customers discovered mold growing inside sealed packs, and stores quietly began pulling it from shelves. The worst part? The creators laughed it off. Now, Lunchly has vanished, a billion-dollar dream that expired before it even began. And while the world moved on, DanTDM stayed silent, because he didn't need to say, "I told you so." The failure said it for him. And just this week, online chatter reignited as fans noticed Lunchly's official site quietly went offline, marking the final nail in its coffin.